Marinelli Tabaconda.
Contestant number 10, Pamela Balas.
Contestant number 9, Cherry Marie Tordelia. Contestant number 16, Lulita Calo.
Contestant number 8, Alma Corpus.
Contestant number 12, Mary Rose Riviera.
Contestant number 6, Angelita Dupula.
And our top 8, contestant number 11, Mary Bustillo.
And of course, ladies and gentlemen, the candidates will be judged based on beauty and personality, voice and bearing, wit and ability to express oneself from 1 to 10.
Who could be our very first Palengke Queen 2016? Mukhang nahirapan ang ating mga judges.
Okay? All right. Ladies, here we go. We have 3 winners for the event. May we call the presenters for the second runner-up, Palengke Queen, Miss Matet Alqueza, Ma'am Chari Nise, and Miss Angelica Marana. Second runner-ups, of course, to announce the winners, we have Sir Ramon Peralta. Second runner-up will receive 7,000 pesos in cash. Yung cash kukunin mamaya.
Second runner-up is candidate number
Drum roll.
candidate number 12, Mary Rose Riviera.
Congratulations.
Our presenters for the first runner-up, we have Honorable Boyet Mondina, Miss Allen Godoy Pedrina, and Mr. KP Cotter.
She will be receiving 10,000 pesos in cash, a
Wow.
crown, bouquet, sash, and trophy.
Wow! Lumalaban!
Basta hindi ako si Steve Harvey.
Yeah!
Sinulat ko talaga. Okay. First runner-up of the first ever Palengke Queen of the city of San Fernando
Drum roll!
is candidate number
That's that number!
candidate number 16, Lolita Calo.
Honorable June Silaw.
Okay, as our presenters are readying. Oh, kalma lang, kalma. Okay, in behalf of the city government headed by our city mayor, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. We did not expect that this first ever pageant will be as successful as this. Lahat po yan dahil po sa support ng mga nasa market. Palakpakan po natin ating mga sarili.
Sana maging suki natin silang.
Pag pumunta ako mga malengke, huwag niyong kalilimutan yung discount ko, ha? Okay. I would also like to thank yung aming production staff. Maraming salamat. Okay. O, wala kayong award. I-award ko kayo mamaya. Okay. Palengke Queen 2016 of the City of San Fernando is candidate number...
She will be receiving 15,000 pesos.
Hey! Blowout! Libreng kain is no other than candidate number... It's candidate number 2! Marinelli Tababunda! Ayan, natupad na yung pangarap niyang maging beauty queen.
Nayak na siya, sir.
Thank you, Van. Thank you, Mamay.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Sir Mon. Bonus, Sir Mon.
Thank you, ladies.
Thank you, ladies. Congratulations. Candidate number 2, our very first Palengke Queen 2016.
Palakpakan natin si Marian.
Yes. Okay, maraming salamat City of San Fernando. Maraming salamat. At syempre maraming salamat Miss Ai.
Thank you so much
And of
for
course-
inviting me.
And thank
Nice
you-
working with
Yes.
you.
Okay, thank you so much. God bless everybody and good night.
Yes, good night.